Okay, see, although this looks like too much wire, and it is, but you'll just have to deal with this. Wait, let me just set this up. So, abhi it's saying 2 hertz frequency, that is the frequency. This is the number that it will add to once I turn that knob. So if I turn that knob by once, it will add 10 to the power 0, which is 1. So if I turn that knob once, it will just go to 3, and it does. And this button changes the mode from sine to triangle to square. And let me show you how that affects in the real life. That is the oscilloscope that is showing what's actually happening. So let me just add frequency to this. Wait, menu, measure frequency. Okay, so this is saying right now that we are generating about 2.99 hertz, which agrees with the fact that we are generating 3 hertz from here. And let's say, and it looks like a sinusoidal wave, and it says that we have a sinusoidal wave. Let's say we change it to a triangle wave. Okay, it's changed to a triangle wave, and now we are getting a triangle wave. Let's say we change that to a square wave. Now we are getting a square wave. The thing with this board is that the square wave is kind of big. So when we, like, the square wave is higher voltage than the sine and triangle, which is like expected behavior. It's nothing wrong with this. And one more thing, we can also like light this up, but I have disabled that because वो camera में नहीं दिख रहा था. What else? Yes, we can change this increment number. This can be changed to 10 ki power 1 all the way through 10 ki power 5. So let's say we change it to 10 ki power 1, 10 ki power 2, here 3, 4, 5. So now this will increment by 10 ki power 5, the frequency will. So let's say, okay, now this scope will have trouble if I keep this at this frequency. So let me just reduce it, and I am going to increase the frequency by 10 ki power 5. It changed the frequency by 10 ki power 5, and it is a square. Let's change it to a sine back again, because I like sine waves. Let me just do this so that we can see the sine waves more easily. And here is the time. Okay, so this is what our sine wave looks like. Let me just make sure that it doesn't go crazy. So it says that we are about at 100 kilohertz, and this agrees with the fact that we are at about 100 kilohertz, because this is 1 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz and 100 kilohertz. So we are at 103 kilohertz, that which board is trying to generate, and we are reading 100 kilohertz. So yes, the entire thing works. All of the button works.